How to add debit card on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you add debit card or any payment method to your Amazon account using your phone. So let's get started. First, you'll have to just open Amazon app or you can directly open it on browser. Alright, after you open browser, in the source field search for amazon.com. After you open official site of Amazon with your account, you'll get this type of interface. From here, at the top right, tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, you'll have to scroll down and come on the sections like your account. After you find it, tap on see all. From this section, you'll have to again scroll down and come on the sections like payment over here. After you come on the section, tap on the option your payments. And from the section simply, after you come on the section wallet, you'll have to just tap on the option add a payment method. And from here, simply you can add any payment method like FSA or HSA card, add a credit card or debit card. Right now, we are going through add a debit card, so simply tap on add a credit or debit card. And from this section, you'll have to just provide your card number, your expiration date, your CVV code, and of your name on your card. So simply enter all of the details and tap on the option add and continue. After you confirm the payment method from here, you'll be able to use your credit card or debit card to do shopping on Amazon. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.